Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Virtual MasterCard to bank account. It's not possible to transfer funds from MasterCard to any bank, but certain virtual MasterCards, such as those provided by companies like NetSpend and Green Dot, may facilitate direct transfer to your bank account through their respective applications or online platforms. It is advisable to review the card's terms and conditions or reach out to the issuer for verification of this feature. Now, it is important to remain vigilant regarding any potential fees that may be incurred during these transfers, which could manifest as either fixed charges or a percentage of the total transfer amount. In terms of indirect transfer methods, one option is a cash advance. This is called cash advance. Also, this approach is generally discouraged due to the associated high fees and interest rates. It is possible to withdraw cash from an ATM using your virtual MasterCard and subsequently deposit it into your bank account. Then, additionally, various third-party applications, such as PayPal or Venmo, permit the linking of your virtual MasterCard, enabling the transfer of funds to other accounts, including bank accounts. However, it is essential to conduct thorough research to comprehend their fee structures, security protocols, and the card issuers they support. This is the simple steps to transfer money from MasterCard to your bank account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.